Welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. Wherever you may be or whatever device you may be watching me on, thank you for spending some time with me. Today's video is going to be awesome. I'm going to talk about 2 apps that you can make money on right now, today, just by downloading them and using them. So let's go into my computer and check it out right now. All right, we're going to get right into this. The best 2 apps to earn money. The first app I've chosen, and it's one that I actually use every day, is called the Dosh App. The Dosh App is basically an app that allows you to get cash back between 1 and 10% automatically into your Dosh wallet. And then from there, you can actually send the money out to your personal bank account. You can donate it. You can transfer it. You can do pretty much whatever you want to do with it. So like I said, all you have to do is connect your credit card and debit card, so whichever cards you want, and just shop. That's all you need to do. And these are normal places that you would shop at. They have thousands of stores that have signed on with Dosh. Also, they just launched a hotel. So if you're somebody who travels frequently, the Dosh app is going to be a great use to you because you can get 40% back off of your hotel stays. But the big part I want to get to, as an affiliate marketer, this is something that we eyeball, is that you can get paid to refer. So if you refer your friends to Dosh using social media, YouTube, word of mouth, every person you sign up, you will get $5 each person. $5. So if you get 10 people, that's $50. If you get 100, that's 500. If you get 1,000, you can do the math. So all they have to do is, once they sign up and they link a verified card, you automatically get $5 into your Dosh wallet. Pretty awesome, right? And also, you can do whatever you want with the money. I personally like to let it build up to about $100, and then I just transfer it back to my debit account. So let's go check out the Dosh website. This is the Dosh website, and it says here, cash back automatically. So when I've used it, it actually is almost instantaneous. As soon as you make a transaction with one of their registered businesses, you will get cash back between 1 and 10%. I recently got 2% cash back at a dinner my wife and I went out and had, and my wife was asking me what the notification was on my phone because I had my phone on, and I said, well, it's the Dosh app. We just got 2% back for what we ate. So you can see here, they say it's the easiest money you've ever made because you're going to spend the money anyways, right? And it's nice to be able to get cash back throughout the year that you can turn around and use that cash for other things. You could even use that cash and save it up over the course of a year, and you could use it for Christmas presents, or you could use it to travel, or you could use it for something for a gift. There's lots and lots of things that you can do with this extra money. I kind of think of it as you know how our banks have the programs where the remaining cents on whatever transaction you had. Say if you had a $1.50 transaction, they would take the remaining 50 cents and they would drop it into an account. This is pretty much the same type of thing, where if you use if you go to a registered business with Dosh and you use your card that's linked with them, then they're going to take percentages of your purchase and they're going to give it back to you. So here it says the easiest money you've ever made. Connect your card. You can shop and dine out with 1,000 different stores and restaurants. You can get paid to refer, like I said, and also you can transfer your cash. And here along the bottom, you can see these are all the different companies: Jack in the Box, Pizza Hut, 1-800-Flowers, Dunkin', Snapfish, Sephora, Edible Arrangements. These are all businesses that we shop at on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. So imagine as you're shopping at all these, just because you have the Dosh app, you are going to get money back. Pretty cool, right? The most powerful part of this, in my opinion, is getting paid to refer. Because every time you refer somebody, you get $5. So this is my first of two. The next one we're going to get into is Feature Points. Feature Points is the second app that I highly recommend that you download to your phone. Feature Points app you can earn in 4 separate ways. You can earn cash back on purchases. You can complete the online surveys they have, download different apps or games, or my favorite, the referrals. By far the most powerful of the 4 is referrals by a huge margin. The reason for this is if you can properly advertise through your social media, friends, family, any gatherings, anywhere you're at, if you share your link, you can earn up to 50% of the points forever and unlimited. So think about that. If you're able to successfully market, say with YouTube, and a couple hundred sign up underneath you, say 300, 400 people, you're able to have them sign up underneath you in the course of a year or 2 years. You could make a passive income by trading in your points. You can even trade it in for cryptocurrency, which is pretty sweet in my opinion. So let's go to the Feature Points website and check it out. This is the Feature Points website. It says get rewarded, make money and earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, cashback, and more. So Feature Points is a little more diversified where they actually have ways that you can earn points through downloading apps and doing surveys to earn money. So you can see here also they've awarded $5.6 million in the last 7 years to people who've had Feature Points. If this is the first time you've heard of Feature Points, you're just like me, because I haven't heard of Feature Points until recently, until I realized how great it was, and I was earning points and I was earning cash back on purchases when I realized that I was missing out. So if you got a couple minutes to spare while waiting in line, riding the bus, riding the train, in the airport, and you want to make your time a little more rewarding than just sitting there playing random games that don't really do anything, don't make any money for you, Feature Points has solved this by giving you cash back by doing and surveys and downloading games and doing things of that sort and referring other people to their site. So here it says complete surveys. Just by sharing your opinion, you can get paid. Did you hear that? Just by sharing your opinions on certain things, whether it be commercials, products, services, you give your opinion and they will give you points and money back. You can also earn cash back. So all these stores, Best Buy, Forever 21, how many of us shop at Walmart or Target? We shop there all the time. So why not get points and get money back for where you're already shopping? Downloading apps. You can download all these, and they're all App Store apps. And if you try them, if you download them and try the app for a few minutes, you'll get credited with them. I've done this a few times and then just gotten the credit and then just deleted them because they weren't really games that I wanted to play. So if you share with your friends and earn, like I said, you earn 50% forever. When these guys make a purchase and they earn 3,380 points, you will get 50% of that. Do you see how powerful that is? If you had a few hundred people that signed up under your referral, you could earn tens of thousands of points per month that you could then turn around and turn into cold, hard cash. You can also redeem your points, like I said, with you can redeem them for Bitcoin, but if you're not somebody who's into cryptocurrency, you can actually redeem them for PayPal, Xbox, or Amazon. So there's a huge range of rewards that you can get by using Feature Points. These two apps, you download them today, I guarantee you in the first week or two, you're going to start making money back into your pocket. You're going to get points. You're going to get Dosh. Your wallet's going to start filling up with money because you're shopping at these places already. I also have a Facebook page. Go ahead and check it out. It's Future Affiliate Pro as well. Go ahead if you guys want to join my group. It's aspiring affiliate entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, people who share ideas, and I'm trying to build a community of people who want to learn how to make money online. I have got, I'm adding stuff all the time, free trainings in there. So if you guys want some free trainings, go ahead, jump into my Facebook group. I also have an Instagram page. Check it out, Future Affiliate Pro. Give me a follow. I post daily content on there that helps you learn about affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, building an online business. Thanks everyone for spending your time with me. I'll see you guys on the next video.